So I'm going to make fondant potatoes. Never made them before. Never made duck before, which is over there.
Wee.
And never made cabbage before, which is over there. Well, not proper cabbage, but it's going to be... What's it going to be?
Braised.
Braised cabbage. So braised, it's going to be a very...
Live, laugh, love, guys.
No. It's going to be a very interesting dish if we get it right. Let's have a little go on this fondant potato masher.
Go on, son. Get your fat knuckles out the way.
Sorry.
Is that a workout for you, isn't it?
What we got? Get out. Come on. Fuck you. Don't want to cut myself because they're quite sharp.
Oh, we should have swapped roles. You should be...
You've eaten all the rolls. Oh.
Fuck off.
Oh.
I've eaten all the rolls. That's
Right,
rude.
That's good. So I'm just going to cut that short. Yeah? And I'm going to have a load of them in a minute. So these have been so hard to get out.
Who did them?
Eva did, but it took about 20 minutes, so I will not be leaving a link down in the description.
What we're going to do with these minion eyes?
No, look through them.
Cool, look at them perfect cylinders.
Like yeah, it's quite nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Don't touch them with your greasy hands.
I've just cleaned my hands, you fucker.
There you go. So I've just blanched them in water, boiling water for now, to get rid of all this crap stuff off them. And then after, I'm going to make them golden brown and fry them. All that crap.
Yeah.
So I've patted them down now. I'm just gonna give them a nice little golden brown crust. Yeah, I'm squeaking. I didn't add any oil to the pan because you see that's very fatty anyway, making the same juices. Alright, so I've moved it to a new dish now. A pot. I'm gonna add some dark soy. And then I had this in the cupboard, so I'm going to add some Sauvignon or whatever it is, I don't care. Now I'm just going to add some boiling water. I just poured it all over the thing, but put the lid on, pop that to the side. Let that simmer over there on low. Now I'm going to start on the braised cabbage. By the way, that's gone in for, I think, around about 45 minutes. So now I'm going to start on this. Just making a nice little purple sauce at the end here, if you can see. I'm recording. So that's going to go into the sauce as well. Very nice and colourful. So I've sweated that down quite nicely. I'm just going to add a little bit of sugar. Well, if you want to call that a... No, I'm talking to the can. Yeah, a little bit of sugar, and then I'm going to add some of this I found. Some wine, boy. Get that in there as well. And then reduce the wine down. That should be nice. Right now, this is for the fun part. On the potatoes, so I'll put that on there. Oh, it's sticking already. Shouldn't stick really. I'll put some more in there. Put them all in.
The cabbage?
Fit in the pan. Cabbage that smells amazing, by the way.
It does. I wish you could smell through the camera.
You will.
They should invent that, they should.
Yeah, they should, shouldn't they? Alright, so we're just looking for a golden crust on these, just for now, but let's have a look.
Keep twisting them.
So butter goes in.
Just a little bit.
And a bit more. No. Told her to go steady on them, but I just flipped them all over. Right. These are looking good underneath now. Just going to give them a little flip over.
Right, so this is then flipped over, so we're just browning the other side off. Look good, don't they?
Yeah, garlic. Garlic goes in.
More butter.
Bit more butter.
Bit more
And
than
then
that.
gonna add some rosemary to it.
Bit more butter.
More butter, yeah.
Oh, I can't wait to try them, Ali.
Give it good, don't they?
Mr. Eats over here.
Then look. And once I've fried them off for a little bit longer, I'm just going to add some chicken stock in there, and they'll boil in there and should be lovely. In goes the chicken stock. And they shall boil, I tell you. So the duck's come out now. Just got to make the glaze for it. So I've added a little bit of flour, a little bit of parsley, salt, pepper, and reduce what the duck was cooking in until it all jus. Looking swell. Let's get a bit of the jus on.
Look at that. Cool.
All right, let's give it a go.
Bit time for duck.
I want to try the fondant potatoes
I'll
first.
try a bit of cabbage. I had an
Never tried them
accident.
before. Oh yeah, Eva had an accident. She
Right at
doesn't
the
know how
end.
to work stuff, so
Actually, I had to do it because you didn't know how to work it, and then I ended up injuring myself. But it was right at the very end, so
she's a liar. Mmm.
bit of cabbage.
On the floor. Mmm. Potatoes, 100%.
Mmm.
They're crazy.
Mmm.
Cabbage, nice.
Mhm.
There we go.
I hope they're strong on these potatoes.
Mm. Oh, you'll love them.
I know I will. I love a potato, me.
What the fuck is she doing? Get it in your dog. No point making sexual noises.
Didn't mean to. That's what gets me going. It's food.
Yeah.
That's why I'm
Now
so
you
fat.
know. Right, the main event. Scene of the duck is.
And potatoes are brilliant. I've never eaten duck before.
I've never eaten it like this.
I've only had crispy aromatic duck. So I have had duck, that was a lie.
Yes. That's not what I was expecting.
What the fuck is she doing?
Good, isn't it? Duck's very fatty, but so I wouldn't eat it all the time, but it's so much better, probably boiled. I like how I did it. Than your usual, because usually it's 90 minutes you'd have to put it in the oven to roast for.
Yeah, have another bit.
Yeah.
Bring it up it.
Hang on. I'll get a nice chunky bit out of it. You don't get much meat on it, but, well, that's quite a nice bit, look.
Look at that.
And the steam coming off it. In the gob?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Of course, my horse.
Proper lovely
We have
stuff, that
another
one.
little bit of my duck.
Yeah, it's brilliant.
I was a little bit worried about it because I know duck can go quite dry. Whoa, look at that.
When it's roasted, it's not dry at all.
It's not, it's really tender.
It's so good.
Why does she keep putting her fork up to the ceiling? I don't understand.
That's bearing in mind this actually took
A long time.
about, not even joking, 2.5 hours for everything to come together.
These taste
Stopping
like
and starting everything.
roast potatoes, really. A little bit with the rosemary and stuff on the seasoning. But even like healthier, sort of, because they're not in loads of oil, because I always cook my roast potatoes in duck fat.
Yeah. And these were cooked in butter and garlic and rosemary.
Rosemary.
Rosemary. Yeah. Oh, bad finger.
It's not that bad, I'll stick it outwards.
Just do high 3. Alright, thanks for watching.